Hi guys, today I will show you how to change password in Windows 10. So where to find this option? So let's jump into Windows Start menu. So press Windows key or go to Start menu and search for password. And this is System Settings, change your password. Just select and click that. And in this panel you will find list of sign in option. So you can manage this. Find the password option and click change. After some latest updates in Windows 10, your account probably is connected with Microsoft services. So you need to provide the current password and set the new one. If you forget your password, you can click that link and follow the steps. In some cases, you may need to provide PIN for your account to access this panel. So this is how it works. Hopefully it helps you, and thanks for watching.